Kay Lusanez, pass to Hernandez. Sa 3. Area to Barrientos. No good, na kay Sinuya. Yes for 2 points. Ison Lusanez, pass to Atiliano. No good. Put back. Hernandez wala. Intercepted by Pensalida to Atiliano to Lusanez. Easy 2 points. Favor of BA. Dodgers number 20. Nice for 2 points. For 2 points. Pass to area. Side step move. Long pass to jersey number 15. 2C.
Yes.
Lusanez to Pensalida sa ilalim. Yes for 2 points. Nakali 3 minutes to play. Nakali area. Seliano, libre. No good. For the rebound by Butardo. Yes for 2 points. Dodgers number 13. On that pass to Ria to Barrientos. Yes for 2 points. Yes, fake. Pass to Atiliano. Fade away shot. Yes for 2 points.